Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website mobile-friendly. First, select a responsive theme that automatically adjusts to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless user experience. Next, optimize all your images to reduce their file size, which significantly speeds up page loading. Implement caching solutions to further boost performance. Finally, regularly test your site's mobile responsiveness to catch any issues early and maintain an excellent user experience for everyone. Selecting a responsive theme is your foundational step for mobile friendliness. A well-designed responsive theme automatically adjusts its layout, images, and text to fit any screen size, from large desktop monitors to small smartphone displays. Look for themes that offer flexible grid systems and mobile-first design approaches. Many popular themes, like Astra or GeneratePress, are excellent choices, providing robust mobile optimization right out of the box, ensuring your content looks great everywhere. Optimizing your images is crucial for mobile performance. Large image files can drastically slow down your site, especially on mobile networks. Use tools to compress images by up to 80% without noticeable quality loss. Consider converting images to modern formats like WebP, which offer superior compression. Additionally, implement lazy loading so images only load when they enter the user's viewport, saving bandwidth and improving initial page load times for a smoother experience. To further enhance mobile performance, install a robust caching plugin like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache. These plugins create static versions of your pages, serving them much faster than dynamically generated content. Also, minimize your CSS and JavaScript files to reduce their size, which helps with quicker downloads. Finally, consistently test your website using Google's mobile-friendly test and page speed insights to identify and fix any remaining issues, ensuring a top-tier mobile experience for all visitors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.